Why are you here? That's my raccoon. No, I got a raccoon recently. I got a raccoon recently. Oh no, she's just sitting there. Oh no, no, it's a raccoon. Yeah, I got a raccoon recently. She's just very active. Raccoon's name is Bonkers, as I told you before. Bonkers, no, Bonkers. I love you, but Bonkers, no. She likes the plastic. No, it's a raccoon. Did you not see the colors? My cats are different colors. No, you need to go. You need to go. Get off the table. I love you so much. 1 second. Why are you so hyper right now? You say that's just how raccoons do it? Aww. Yeah, I understand. Raccoons be like that. Yeah, very, very active, and they do whatever the hell they want. Yes, I have a raccoon.